Or to other matters, Nigeria now has 30 sexual assault referral centers across 17 states. The latest of such is in the Alimosho area of Lagos. The move is to intensify the fight against sexual and gender-based violence and to care for victims. Lupa Asom reports.
There has been an overwhelming rise in cases of sexual and gender-based violence, with COVID-19 contributing immensely, and that's according to United Nations. Available statistics say 1 in 3 children is a victim of sexual assault.
Can we put our hands together for you?
The Lagos State Government, in partnership with Rule of Law and Anti-Corruption, ROLAC, have now set up this Sexual Assault Referral Center in General Hospital, Alimosho Local Government. Wife of the Lagos State Governor says it's part of government's effort to reach out to victims.
We will go ahead and make sure that we do more advocacy, more research in this area. We will not relent in our efforts. Training, like I've said, he has mentioned before, is going to be continuous.
29 of these sexual assault referral centers have previously been set up in 17 states across the country. Medical personnel are to administer free medical services to sexual assault victims. They will also be accorded other services such as counseling, psychosocial support, legal, safety, and security interventions.
We have mentioned legislation, which is important because we think that if we have a very effective policy in legislation, it is able to galvanize action by all stakeholders who will use that as a framework and a foundation.
We've also heard about the need for justice and how difficult that can be with these types of crimes. So we have both a culture and a system that needs to be changed.
But beyond the referral centers, some people want the government to set up accommodation for recovering victims.
There is need for shelter where a lot of psychosocial support can take place, where they can build their self-esteem and probably learn a skill. A woman who is battered in the home should not go back to that home. That is not a home, that's battleground.
The officials say ending sexual and gender-based violence is everyone's business. They call on all to join in the fight.
The establishment of this sexual assault referral center is an indication of the Lagos State government's commitment to care for victims of gender-based violence. Lupe Asom, TVC News, Lagos.